So here we have a question. An electron has a rest mass of 9.11 times 10 raised to negative 28 gram. What is its mass when moving with a speed of 0.90 c? So let's solve it. First, we need to write down all of the given. We have the rest mass. The given is 9.11 times 10 raised to negative 28 grams. And we have the v as our velocity, which is 0.90 c or 90% of the speed light. To calculate exactly how heavy it gets, we use this famous relativistic mass formula. Let's plug in the numbers and solve it. As you can see, the bottom part of the formula is square root of 1 is minus 2 v over c squared. Plug in the velocity ratio. Since the speed is 0.90 c, the fraction is v over c simplifies to just 0.90. Next, you have to square 0.90 or multiply it by itself. It's equal to 0.81. So we subtract it. It's equal to 0.19. We just need to compute it all. Answer it in our calculator. We have our answer. And that is 2.09 times 10 raised to negative 27 gram. Thank you.